Hello, amazing puzzle solvers! Welcome to Playtime Puzzles. Today we have 10 fun animal puzzles for you. Listen carefully. Can you guess the sound? Let's begin. What animal is that? It's a lion. Great job. Time to guess. Amazing. You found a cat. Can you name it? Yes, it's the cow. Well done. Think fast. That's right, an owl. Do you know this sound? It's an elephant. Fantastic. Any ideas? Look, it is the dog. Super. What is hiding there? Oh, a duck. You are so smart. Tell me your answer. Correct. It's the monkey. Ready to find out?
We found it! The goat! Let's see. Perfect. It's a dolphin. Amazing work, everyone. You guessed 10 amazing animals. Don't miss our next challenge. Subscribe and ring the notification bell. Before you go, here is a special question just for you. If you could be any animal, which one would you choose? And why? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for playing. See you next time for more Playtime Puzzles.